Hello. I wanted to provide you guys a little bit of information on probably one of the quickest ways that you can get to print and edit your HIPAA test results and your bloodborne pathogen test results so that they can be formatted and uploaded as easy as possible. First, you're going to log on to the cohort site, as you can see here. And to the right of the screen, you should have an area that says Activities. And you're going to go to the section that says Quizzes. Click on that. And you should see your quizzes. And you can see your last grades that are there. And remember, you have to make a 90% to be able to submit the test score. So let's do the HIPAA test just as an example. You're going to do each of these the same exact way. But you'll click on the underlined category for the test. And what shows up, if you scroll down and look at it, you'll see the HIPAA. It will have your highest grade at the bottom there. And it actually shows the date that you finished, which is important also, particularly when you start doing this the next year again. You can see on this how it comes up. It's got a place for your name, and you will put your name and your banner ID on this later when you get this set up. Here in the instructions, it tells you to right-click on the page that displays this, and then once printed, write in your name. So what we're going to do is we're going to do that step by step so you can see how to easiest do that. So you're going to right-click on the document, and the item that comes up is going to give you options. You want to choose Print. And yours might be, if you've been printing things, it may have a bunch of printers here. But the easiest one to select is Print Microsoft Print to PDF. And so you're going to select that, and you're going to print that. And what that does is it's printing, if you can see here at the bottom, that web page as a PDF. So now you're going to name it something that will be easy for you to remember, because you're going to have to do HIPAA tests every year. So we're going to call it HIPAA Exam 1. And we're just going to save it to an easy location that we can find it on your own computer. Okay. So now I'm going to go back onto my computer where my documents are stored. And I'm going to scroll down till I can find HIPAA Exam 1. I'm going to click on that document. And it's going to open this up because I have Adobe on my laptop. If you don't have Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader, you need to download those because they are available to you from the university. And you're going to be using PDFs a lot in all these document uploads. So you really need this because it will save you a lot of time. So I'm going to enlarge the document so I can see what I'm doing here. And again, it's the same thing we saw on the screen, but it's just now in a PDF form. It also tells me where this came from, and it identifies the date that I'm actually doing and time that I'm actually converted it to a PDF. Now, what I have to do next is somehow I've got to get my name and my banner ID in here. So I'm going to click Edit PDF on the right side. And it takes just a minute or so to convert the PDF document so that it's editable. Now, what you're going to want to do is add text. So you're going to click on Add Text. You're going to make you a big block here. And then you're going to go right over here, and I'm going to put Rebecca Turpin. And you'll put your name. and then skip a few spaces and then put BID for banner ID and 900, whatever your banner ID is. And then you'll click out of that and you'll go up here and you'll say File and Save. So it will now be saved with your name and your banner ID in the same spot. So just to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to close this down. And we're going to go back into the exam form before I upload it and make sure that that's truly there. So now I know it is ready, that I can upload it into Complio. Hopefully that has helped you figure out the best way to do this, or the fastest way. But with many documents you're going to be doing things with, it is going to be important to master being able to edit PDFs like this, because we get a lot of forms from a lot of institutions, and some of them are Word documents, some of them are a lot of other things besides a PDF. And then when you get ready to try to do it and type it, you don't want to have to print the document and sign it by hand and all those kind of things. So another thing to remember, if I'm in a document like this and I'm wanting to edit it, let's say this is a document that I need to sign something. You have a little thing up here that looks like a pen, an old-timey pen, and it's there because you can set up your own signatures. So I already have done a signature for this and saved that. And so now if I want to sign any document, all I've got to do is pull my signature wherever I want it to be. And then again, I would go back, hit File, and save the document. So those are just a few things that may help you with working with documents. If you have any further questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.